Children, good morning. Today we discuss speed. Okay, Anna? So in these two vehicles, if both the vehicles start at same time only, which one moves faster? Means immediately you say car, because if you consider a distance of 100 meters only from the starting journey, only 100 meters. Okay, definitely this 100-meter distance easily covered by the car, but this cycle takes some extra time than the car. Is it or not? No, no. So which takes less time to reach target, which takes less time to reach the target, that is said to be faster. That object is faster. Which takes more time to reach the target, that is slower. Okay, this faster and slower described by the term speed only. Okay, now we discuss what is meant by speed. The distance covered by an object in unit time. The distance covered by an object in unit time is called speed. Okay, no? So we can write formula: speed is equal to distance covered by time. Speed equal to distance covered by time. Unit time means in 1 minute or in 1 second or 1 hour. Okay, that is what we call unit means that may be 1 second or 1 hour or 1 minute. Okay, in a particular time, in that unit time, how much distance will be covered by an object, that is what we call speed. Okay, so we can write formula: speed is equal to distance by time. Now we can measure in terms of some units. No, what is that unit? SI unit. We always use SI unit. Distance, yesterday when I told you what is the SI unit, meter by time, second. So simply we write M by S, meter per second. Meter per second is the SI unit of speed. Okay, Ranna? So actually the speed is described in different situations. If it is cyclone time, we measure speed of the winds. Okay, speed doesn't take any particular direction. Okay, sometimes we see on the roads some boys or some fellows, they move on the bike without any particular direction. Then we say, how much speed that boy is maintaining, like that we say, no. So speed is not following any direction, it goes in the any way. Okay, no? So speed it is a quantity. It measures how fast or how slower an object is moving. Okay, in mathematically we say distance covered by an object in unit time. So we formula speed is equal to distance by time, and its SI unit is meter by second, M by S అన్నమాట. Next, average speed. See, if a bus or if a car starts in Kakinada and going to Visakhapatnam, okay, going to Visakhapatnam, in this total journey, for example, if you take 150 kilometers, for example, the distance between these two cities is 150 kilometers. If a car started journey from Kakinada to Visakhapatnam, but that car doesn't go directly, in the break journeys only, it covered whole the distance. In 3 different intervals, it covers the whole distance. First 50 kilometers, it maintains 80 kilometer per hour speed, 80 km/h. Okay, no? And from that next 50 kilometer is 60 kilometer per hour, and next remaining last distance, it may be 70 kilometer per hour speed it maintains. Okay, Nanda? So different speeds are maintained by that car. Then we say not whole journey is completed by 80 kilometer per hour, not completed by 60, not completed by 70. It completed by 3 different speeds. That why in this case we say average speed. We have to take average speed. Even in the PA1 exam or PA2 exam also, you write 5 different subjects. In one subject, in that one you may got 38, and in the one more subject you may got 33, etc. But overall you consider with the average, is it or not? Like that only, in this type of situations we have to take average speed. What is average speed? Average speed is total distance by total time. Total distance by total time. This is important formula. Average speed is equal to total distance by total time. Means for this journey how much time, and remaining journey how much time, and last portion how much time it took. Like that we have to take total distance by total time taken by that object to cover the whole distance. Then we will get average distance. For example, first 50 kilometer it takes 60 minutes, means 1 hour. Second it takes 40 60, no, so it takes 1 hour 20 minutes, and this one 1 hour 10 minutes. Okay, now according to the formula average speed, how can we calculate average speed? V means speed none. Okay, symbol I am telling, speed symbol is V, speed symbol V. So V average means average speed is equal to total distance how much, 50 50 50, 150 by total time. Total time how much, 3 hours 30 minutes. See, 3 hour 30 minutes means 3.5 hour, no, 3 hour 30 minutes, 3.5 hour. 3.5 hour means 150 by, this is 7 by 2, 7 by 2, 2 goes up now, 2 goes up by 7. In the 7 table how many times? Nearly 21 times it may cancel. Then nearly 21 into 2, 42 kilometer per hour. Okay, this is 150 kilometer by time, hours. That's why 42 kilometer per hour is the average speed. Okay, Nana? This is the formula to calculate average speed in the journey. Okay, Nana? So children, you have to read page number 144 and 145 up to this one. Okay, our syllabus also up to here, not measurement of time. Okay, in this lesson motion and time, only motion is there for PA2, not time. 13.3 not there. Okay, Nana? See here, observe this picture. Which car is moving faster? Which car is moving faster? First picture, second picture. Okay, after 10 seconds or something time gap, the two pictures are taken. See here, green car is in between these two white cars, but the same green car, see, it crossed this white car and this white car, and this stood first, moving faster. We can say that green car is moving faster. Like that we compare speed in terms of slow and fast.